Today you're going to be taking the spelling test over list 3-1. You're going to be looking at closed syllables, which is short vowel followed by consonant, sneaky E, which is vowel consonant, sneaky E, where the E jumps over the consonant and makes the vowel stand up and say its name. And then open syllables, a syllable in which that syllable ends with a vowel, and that vowel sound is long, so you mark it with a macron. Make sure you put your first and last name on your paper, your number on your paper, and today's date, which is 11/16/17. Word number 1, vibrates. My phone vibrates when it rings. Number 2, donate. She will donate coats to the coat drive. Number 3, why? Why are you asking that question? Number 4, menu. I will order from the menu. Number 5, recline. I will recline back in my seat next week when we're on Thanksgiving break. Limbo. Number 6 is limbo. The teacher was in limbo trying to make a decision about which book to read. Number 7, hybrid. My daughter Avery's car is a hybrid that runs off of a battery sometimes instead of gas. Number 8, siren. The siren was loud when it went off. Number 9, zero. He put forth zero effort. And number 10, rotate. They will rotate the field from one crop to another crop. Make sure that you've coded all of those words, that you've marked your vowel sounds, that you've marked your syllables, and that you've told me whether it's closed or open or vowel consonant sneaky E. All of those count for points. If you only take a 10-word test, go ahead and bump forward to your dictation, making sure you draw your strategies and follow all those dictation rules. Otherwise, hang on for 11 through 20. Number 11 is the word humid. When it's humid outside, my hair gets curly. Number 12, primate. An ape is a primate animal. Number 13, skyline. The skyline was filled with a beautiful sunset. Number 14, bingo. I like to play bingo on Fridays. Number 15, dilute. I will dilute the solution with some water. Number 16, frequent. Remember, Q and U travel together. They're stuck like glue. Frequent. If I do something with with a lot of frequency, frequent means that you do it often. So I frequent Sonic a lot for my favorite drink. Number 17, sly. The fox was very sly. Number 18, minus. She had minus 10 points on her paper for missing 2 questions. Number 19, reflex. The doctor will use the hammer to test my reflex in my knee. Number 20, devote. I will devote my time to taking care of my work. Flip your paper over on the back. You're going to draw your 2 strategies at the top. The first one is a simple sentence strategy, reminding you to start your sentence with a capital letter, that every sentence contains a subject and predicate, and will end with either a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. Your compound sentence strategy, which should be drawn just like this, starts with a capital, contains a subject and predicate, comma, boas, subject, predicate, and ends with the same punctuation marks, period, exclamation point, or question mark. And boas stands for but, or, and, so. If you hear me use that word, I would suggest circling it, performing the pencil test, and checking to see whether or not it needs a comma. Number 1 has 11 words, number 2 has 10 words, and number 3 has 9 words. Sentence number 1, my mom will zero in on the phone when it vibrates. Underline or circle the word zero and vibrates. Number 2, Tony ordered chicken from the menu, but it tasted funny. Underline or circle the word menu. Number 3, the humid air caused her to have frequent headaches. Underline or circle the word humid and frequent. Check your strategies. Make sure you started the right way, ended the right way, spelled the words the same on the front and back. Count your words, and then turn your paper into the basket.